Dr. Goldie Jacques-Maynes. Today I'm going to show you some really simple stretches to do for your wrists and your elbows if you're having a lot of pain in this area. This happens a lot, patients who are having a lot of wrist pain, maybe with typing or repetitive grasping, gardening if you're using shears a lot, pulling weeds, playing tennis, playing golf, any kind of repetitive motion that you're doing, like if you're hitting that tennis ball, you get a little bit of a jolt through the forearm. Any of those kinds of pains and discomfort, these stretches can really help. So the first one is called prayer stretch, and you want to put your palms together like you are in a prayer, and then you just lower your hands down like this. Make sure your hands don't come apart, right? So keep your palms together. If you're really tight, that's maybe as far as you can go. If you do this stretch regularly, you should be able to lower your palms down, maybe even get the palms below the elbows there, okay? So holding that stretch, you can lean one direction, kind of lean your hands the other direction and getting yourself a little bit of an extra stretch there. You should feel a nice stretch along the front of your hands. The next stretch is called reverse prayer. So you're going to put the backs of your hands together. A lot of times I see people doing it wrong like this. They just have their fingers together. So drop your hands below your elbows, keeping the two parts of your hands together here, and then gently bring that up. So I'm pretty tight here. I can't go up much higher. If you keep pushing it, you can see that my hands come apart. So you want to keep the backs of the hands together and then just feel that nice stretch across the front here, okay? Again, you can kind of press it one direction and press it the other way, sort of gently extending the stretch, okay? Just opening and closing your hands a few times can be a really nice way to kind of get the hands moving. Doing circles, one direction and then the other direction, right? Just sort of rolling and loosening up your wrists. Really nice way to warm up your wrists. Now we want to stretch the elbow. The elbow is a hinge joint, so it really just does this. That's all that joint does. So to stretch it, you want to make sure you keep the elbow nice and straight and then just pull back. So yes, I feel a stretch here. I'm also feeling a stretch. You may also feel a stretch along here, okay? Other side, keeping that elbow nice and straight. You're gonna feel a nice kind of lengthen that stretch from the prayer further down the forearm, okay? The reverse of that is to flip the hand over. Again, keep that elbow nice and straight and stretch here. Both sides, okay? If you're not feeling much of a stretch with that, another way to do it is to go into a weight-bearing position. So I'm gonna put my hands down on my table and I'm just gonna lean forward. I'm not gonna put my full body weight into this stretch, so I'm unweighting a little bit and I'm just leaning forward here, feeling that nice stretch here, okay? And then the opposite too, I'm gonna lean way forward and then kind of come back this direction to feel a nice stretch across there. Okay, I hope that's helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you warm up before you sit down at your computer desk. And if you have any other questions, just let me know.